I'm gonna do a quick video, very quick video. Just installed a ceiling fan, and after I plugged everything up correctly, I know about electricity. So got two switches on the wall. One used to control the fan, one used to control the light. But now we have a new fan. It's Home Decorators Collection from Home Depot. Little plug from Home Depot. Anyway, so put everything up there. Didn't use the red wires. That's just one switch. The fan didn't come on. You could hear it hum, but it doesn't move. So I did a little research on YouTube, of course, like everybody else does. That's why you're here. And could not find anybody that answered this question. So I'm putting it out there so maybe I can answer it for somebody. So if you look here, there's the wiring. Everything looks good. One thing that I checked first was, where'd it go? Hold on. Not a quick video anymore, is it? Right here. This. Turn off the flashlight on. Sorry, people. This little tiny switch right there. You see that? That switch, if you know, controls which way the fan goes. It's a directional switch. It goes clockwise or counterclockwise. I heard the fan humming, so I pulled everything down, made sure all my connections were correct, which they are. My connections are correct. There's no other way to wire it except for the red wire, which we do not use in this. So I looked at the switch down here, the directional switch. It was in the middle. So I flipped it down where it's supposed to be, and it works just fine. So for those of you that just installed a new ceiling fan and your fan is not working, it's humming, it might not be a problem with the capacitor, which everybody says change the capacitor. It's a brand spanking new fan. It's not the capacitor. I think some people are actually going through and knocking that little switch right there down or up or what have you. Let's turn the flashlight on again. There, you can see it. A little switch right there. A directional switch. It moves it counterclockwise or clockwise. So, very simple fix. I didn't have to yank it down and throw it at the people at Home Depot. Alright, quick video. See ya.